I think so. We are live. I'll check it. Yeah. By the way, I'm listening to this music. It's 25 even let's listen to this. Okay. So picking up from tomorrow, I just moved this to a separate file so that it helps in organization. Rest all it's pretty much the same apart from the screen width and height. So if you see right now, this is the current state. So I can move it here and there. The only thing that I feel like it's not happening right now is there's not some variation. So if you see, if you take a look at it closely, so the next time the ball comes, it will be right around here only, like some deviation. So I'm just figuring that out, like how should I that so like see this thing. So we have to fix that. Uh, let's do that only first. So let's say, okay, paddle. Okay, so right now we are just doing this direction -1. What I want to do is that let's say if I draw it in a whiteboard, it will be much better. So let's say that this is the paddle, okay, and the ball collided like this, okay. So what I want to do is as soon as the ball collides, I want to make the ball like this. So what I want to do is I have this position already. What I just want to say is I will minus it. So what I will do is I will just say that paddle dot x plus width by 2. So plus and minus depends on which side you are on. So right or left, that is something that we can decide. And then we have the radius. So that also depends. If you're on the left, then I will just keep on adding things. And what I will just say that plus the radius. So this will be the actual ball dot x is equal to if you're on the left side. And if you're on the right side, what I want to do is, because I want to make it on that side, what I will do is that I will just say that p dot x minus w dot w by 2 and minus radius. So just move it away completely so that the next frame, even if it doesn't go to that thing. So yeah, let's do that. And what we can do is can calculate it here itself. Let's see which one will be more better. So we can have a paddle, okay, and inside of paddle class we can say in which side it is. So we can have something as, so we can have bull is left paddle, and by default I don't want to make it while I want to explicitly say it. So it will give me some error. So left paddle, I'll just say that yeah, you are the left paddle, and in the right paddle, I'll just say no, you're not the right paddle. Okay, now that I have this position, now that I have this information, this minus and plus thing is solved. Okay, now the next thing is I don't certainly know that okay if left or right is true, like if we hit the left paddle or the right paddle, because right now it's an or condition. So again I will just break this down. I will have explicit searches, like explicit what you say, uh, explicit checks. So I will just say left and right paddle. One more level of optimization that we can do right now is right now we are checking for both of them, even if it's a else thing. Let's say that this false, this has a false thing, so then this is also called. But we really don't need to do is this, because if the ball is in the screen width, if it is less than the screen width by 2, then there is no way that the ball will collide with the right thing. So we can add this optimization, but right now I don't think so that it is necessary. So yeah, yeah. So right paddle, left paddle. Uh, okay, now we go to this paddle thing. So let's try to do this thing. So what we want to do is, what the fuck? Is he listening to? So okay, bull left. You can write this as public bull left. No, I cannot. Uh, have it as is left, and I can just say it's left. Okay. So position plus, if it is left, then position plus. Yeah, correctly. Uh, let's just say if it is working. It's something that is not, you did not see very like, okay. See, it is working. Find a case where it is not. Let's assume it is working, because I can't seem to get it like inside the ball right now. So that was the whole point of this thing. So let's have it and just say why we are doing this. Offset the position of the ball to eliminate, if I can spell it correctly, yeah, to eliminate the possibility possibility of getting stuck in the battle correctly. Okay, then I'm just reversing it, reversing the direction. I don't need to tell this. Good. Okay, now the next business that I want to do is, so whenever we are colliding, I want the speed to be slightly increased. So as soon as I do this, this will throw me an error and say, oh, you cannot, you should have this kind of a thing. Parameter speed is captured into a state of an enclosing type, and its value is also used to initialize. That is exactly what I want. So whenever you're colliding, uh, I want to increase it a bit. Let's see if we have this kind of a thing. Draw graph, graph calculator. Yeah. So uh, I want something like this. Also, I write textbook. Very bad at math. Uh, Jump to this thing. I feel like just write something gibberish. Plus 3x minus 5. I have no idea. I don't know. For now, I can just slowly tap it out. And nothing's it's going each and every time that direction only. That is what I don't want. How smart, like how fast. Found that have it like this only. And let's see. 50 pixel minus 50 pixel, so it will be 50 pixels too much. 50 pixels too much. 50 pixels too much. 10 pixels. This is why you should always introduce some like variables, not magic numbers like I'm doing right now. Every time it's fetching their own. Right now, let's leave it as it is. Okay, we have this thing. Okay, so this is our ball. Okay, so the reason why it is not going outside a window is because of this thing. Whenever it's breaching the uh, threshold, basically, I'm just offsetting it and just clamping the values. So technically, what I should do is first of all, I should remove this because this is not part of the rule. I actually want to get that thing out. But whenever this happened, I want to trigger something. So I want callback. It's a good idea. Just informing that, okay, yeah, something has happened. Started. I started doing this. Let's do one thing. Uh, maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. See if everything works. Let's do the thing. तो अभी एक वो लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ किया अभी हम लोग ने, so we have to draw the line also. So let's refer to the cheat sheet. Look, cheat sheet. Those. It needs a start x. Start y. Can I specify the width? Okay, specifying the width will turn it into a rectangle. So let's just see. Like Raylib dot draw pretty much here. Uh, and by the way, when we are doing it anyways, let's have it. Let's have a counter also. Score. F score. Right. So start it. Is Rider listening to me? So we have the scores. We just want to draw it right now. So let's quickly draw it. So it needs a text, okay, 10x and a y position, a font size, and a color. So this is by 4. See how is it looking? 100, 0, okay, a little too big in my opinion. Drop it to 50. We are getting it, we are getting it, we are getting it. We are almost there. I just need to position them. Yep, we are getting. It's nice. Like so You can do the same thing in Unity, okay, very easily, and you can make it very quickly also. But the thing is that doing this all by hand, thinking about how you should do the collision, how you should do the thing, when should you calculate it, and things like that. Like these small things, which as a game developer, when we pick up an engine, we take it very granted that okay, uh, like these things don't matter to us. But uh, in a long run, if you say, a lot of these things are what make you a problem solver, in my opinion. So yeah, at the same time, I'm no way to comment on this because I feel that I'm very dumb when I am doing things. A lot of the times, most of the time, what I do is I just Google things. I solve. Uh, I solve things. Yeah, I basically I solve things. Um, yeah, that is pretty much it. So for the scoring thing, we can do two things. Since now that where is it? We can first remove this. So the solution one will be removing this. Calculate, checking for the same thing here, and updating it. See the same thing. And the next thing would the next thing would be, or what we could do is we could take out the logic from here. We could keep sorry we could keep the logic here. We could have an action or some kind of a thing which can be invoked, and the game would tell us this. Just thinking of what should I prefer. This thing is much more simpler. I believe, yeah, we should do this. We should keep this game as simple as possible because right now I'm just testing my waters of how we can do it. Let's first do this way only. Okay, so I'm commenting out this logic. So now the ball can go outside. Now I'm catching that logic here. I'm just saying. And then I have a reset thing. So okay, direction is something that we need to determine. Oh fuck. Just see, then we can randomize it. That's pretty much it. Never mind. Okay, audio much better today and BG and the BG. Okay, thank you. Now I just want to randomize vector. There is, okay, let's right now this. I don't want to do that thing. Where I make an extension class and perform a random. Okay, let's see if there is an extension. There is a way I can do it. Vector 2 dot. Is there anything? No, not like that. Okay. See if we have a class for it. Random. Okay. Random dot. Okay. Next byte. Okay. Shuffle next int. Okay. Min value, max value. We have a double. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, so let's do that only. So direction, vector 2 here all direction is equal to, we equal it now. Then we will have a random new, then say that random dot next double, and just convert it to float. Then type the same thing. Okay. But I do say that play the game. Very, very slow. Not too much fun, isn't it? I 0.3, the more the yeah, I should make public vector to get call. Make it a public static class get call direction. So first of all, make it a random. Now for the random y float x and y. Okay, abhi, so this returns me a value which is so multiplied by 2 minus 1, so this will give me -1 to 1 range. Now random elevator -1. Now I want value तो अगर मुझे देखना हो check basically 0.5 से 0.5 चाहिए प्लस 0.5 से -0.5 चाहिए. अभी मुझे 0 से 1 मिल रहा है. I multiplied by 2 0 से 2 -1 1 से 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 0 से 0.5 1, that will be that will be -1 to -0.5. I don't want that. Let's just multiply it by 2, it will be -2 -1 1 divided by 2 1, that will be -0.5 say 0.5. Just say yeah. It's yep. Give it a try. It what? So, equal to game.getBall direction. Is it just me or speed is drastically reduced? We can safely remove the code. We don't need it anymore. Okay. Is that only? Okay. Ball in your speed. Speed. Okay. मुझे तो लग रहा है that I feel that this is the culprit. Because whenever this value is slow, like this value is good, see this thing. These two values are very slow. Okay, that is pretty much done. We can introduce AI to this. That we are doing this and that. Um, we are good to go. Okay. Uh-huh. So basically, we made our first game using Raylib, and for the it is easy. So the next thing that I'm trying to do is um, we can make some other game also. Like we can make Flappy Birds if that is something that we want. We can make or we can polish up this project we can polish this project up. So by that I mean like add some sprites and change the whole color and all schemes like that. So we can do that also. uh, what I want to move to some other game. So basically ping pong for me was just to see if I can make something, not following some tutorial and anything, just straight going to the documentation and just trusting my guts on this. So yeah, I feel pretty confident that yeah, I can make Flappy Birds after this. Uh, Overall, it was a good learning experience for me, especially the troubleshooting part and getting the position and everything right, and drawing those like little explanation drawings, which I usually don't do. I usually keep those things in my head, but now that I think of, I should start doing those drawings a lot more. One thing that I would like to improve on is maths. Like, so maths has always been a troublesome area for me. Apart from that, I do like to improve on the uh, equations. So basically, things like I have an equation, I just want to convert that into code. So I struggle a lot there sometimes, so I want to improve on that also. So yeah, overall pretty good, pretty confident about it, for the most part. Yeah, or we can play some games also. So uh, I know, like right now I have zero watching, so I can do whatever I want. um, I really want to, get into Raylib a lot more. So yeah, I will make Flappy Birds the next game as the next game. So yeah, hope to see you there. Whoever watched today, thank you for that. And that is pretty much it, I guess. Let me see if I have something that I forgot to say. Um, no, okay, yeah, bye bye. I will end the stream.